DIMO Nature Club. A name every DIMO tribe member knows. A club that nurtures the future. A club that safeguards nature. A club that creates change. Let's look at our 2024 journey, charting new destinations, expanding horizons. We celebrated our second-year anniversary in April, marking a milestone. 2 years of impact, 2 years of dedication. We visited Makandava Forest Reserve at Kitugala, guided by Dulan Vidana Patirana. Into the wild, learning, preserving, and connecting with nature. Dedicating our volunteering efforts, 43 members volunteered to color wash the Apeksha Hospital Maharagama Children's Ward in May, where we were able to impact 140 children in the children's ward, brushing away sorrow, bringing color to young lives. Our new initiative, Paladansala, in June and July at Valiveria and Siambalape, planting hope, nurturing green dreams, a gift for the earth. Our next field visit in July was to Kannelia Forest Reserve. Back in the wilderness, more focus on snakes and amphibians, guided by Vijay Anand. We then visited our mangrove restoration project at Nugudua Gaul, where our project partner, Wildlife Conservation Society of Gaul, were able to take us through our restoration methodologies. Blood donation campaign in August and in September, where every drop counts, a gift of life. We were able to partner with the National Blood Transfusion Service. Education is a key aspect for our community projects. School programs where we empower the next generation, shaping young minds, where our members were able to conduct school programs in English, Sinhala, and Tamil. Young Explorers initiative is dedicated for our DIMO tribe members' children. Last year in October, we visited the National Zoological Gardens at Dehiwala to understand ex-situ conservation methods. Supporting elders, in October we visited Victoria Home for Incurables at Rajagiriya. A touch of kindness, a moment of care. In November was the first time that we visited a dry zone ecosystem, Dambulla, admiring our ancient architecture and stepping into the dry zone ecosystems, guided by Mendis Vikramasinghe. From the misty plains to the heart of nature, our footsteps echo conservation. This is the first time that we visit the cloud forests of Sri Lanka at Horton Plains in December, guided by Dilip Rajaguru with our new partnership with Jeep Club of Sri Lanka. In 2025, DIMO Nature Club were able to connect with the Jeep Club expedition in January, where adventure meets purpose, driving into the wild. This year, in January, we focused on freshwater fish, hidden treasures of nature, preserving the unseen. We visited Gilimale Forest Reserve, guided by Yesita Rodrigo. Tis the season for flamingos in February. DIMO Nature Club participated a field visit to Mana Bankale Sanctuary, guided by Edison Marinathan. Losing parents and having no home at a younger age is not easy. DIMO Nature Club visited Vajrasri Children's Development Center in Kotte in March to bring a smile, a simple act, a world of difference. We began this journey in 2022. A small step towards a greater mission. From beaches to forests, from classrooms to communities, every step has been a testament to our purpose. 3 years, a journey of passion, perseverance, and purpose. And this is just the beginning. Our journey continues.